Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to a 143 scale video. And in today's video we have Jeremy Mayfield's Ford Taurus. It's a Hot Wheels Pro Racing NASCAR. Here's some info on the back. There's like career milestones he has done. That's like from 1993 till 1997. Here's a Rookie of the Year, first career uh, Bosch Award at Talladega. Not Chad. I don't know what that word even is. 6 top finishes. Joins exclusive $1 million club with earns of 1.2 million in his short career. Some personal stuff about him, like height 6.0. I have no idea what. That's probably feet, maybe. Weight 165. Dude, pretty big dude if it's 165, because I am less than that and I don't think I could fit in this car. But okay. Wife Christina, date of birth is 1969, May 27. Hometown Owensboro, Kentucky. Hobbies, golf and playing with his 2 cats. Interesting stuff that they put that kind of stuff back there. This is released in 1997, so pretty old. I'm guessing, well, not guessing, I'm actually probably know that's gonna be like plastic base and so on. I'm just hoping that the tires are somewhat rubber. Oh, come on, I want to break it. Wow, that's tough to open. This type of packaging I don't like. Probably not gonna keep it anyway. I prefer if it's like acrylic stuff, then I'll keep it, but these cardboard ones, they will be torn apart as I'm opening this and will never get assembled back. Now, how do I get this guy? Okay, I'll need a knife. I'm confused on what is being held on by. Oh, it's these things. That was better than rubber, but still pretty. Oh, this is gonna take me some time. If you don't want to see me go through this, you can skip forward. Probably not gonna cut this out. But it shouldn't take me that long either. That's one side. That's the other side. Stuff's flying everywhere, plastics and bits like that. Luckily nothing from the car. Okay, then this, how does this come off? Just pull it, and I'll break the axles. I don't really want to do that. Can I do it like around here? Yes, I can, okay. And this one. Okay, that's one. Two. Come on, there we go. Got that off. Okay, so yeah, like I knew, the base is plastic. The tires are rubber, hard rubber, but they're rubber, so that's good. I did it on it like these basic screws. these like sort of base I have seen on 164s also from Hot Wheels mainly. At least in this detail you can see I debuted in 1997, and let's have a look of it. We have a slightly crooked smile to it in the grill section, which is of course painted. All of this is like decals are painted, so that's a little bit unfortunate, but couldn't really tell. There's a safety stuff in there. One driver seat's out, not much detail. It's all in one color, so it's like this orangey red color, like with everything in there. Even we have nice wheels, Goodyears. There's the back. Yeah, nothing much I can really say. All in all, it's a pretty good one. The roll's very good. No issues there. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Most of the video has been like getting it out of the box, but what more do you need? It's a NASCAR. There's nothing much to show. So I think the lights are a little bit awful, so just a tiny bit, but it's not a big issue. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.